Okay, so today we're going to talk about identifying linear functions from a graph. And we just got to get some words down here. First, linear function is a function whose graph is a non-vertical line. So that means the line does not go up and down. The reason for that is if we were trying to prove a vertical line test, it would fail because every point on the vertical line is on the vertical line, so it fails the vertical line test. VLT, vertical line test. So in identifying, first you must identify the graph as a function. So the graph has to pass the vertical line test. Does it pass the vertical line test? Second, if it is a non-straight vertical line. All right, so this is an example of a linear function. It passes the vertical line step. It is a straight line. This is an example of a nonlinear function. While it is a function, it certainly passes the vertical line test. What it is not is straight. So that makes it nonlinear. So last week, we have some examples here. First things we want to do is kind of test to see if we have passes a vertical line test. So we can give ourselves a straight line and try and test that out. Kind of running it across like this. And I'm just going to do these first two examples. So it passes the vertical line test. So it is a function. So I know that much. It is definitely a function. And it is nonlinear because it is non-straight. If it's nonlinear function and ask me why, I'm going to say because there is a curve. It is not a line. It is a curve. I'm going to do another one, and then you can try the next four on your own. Again, is it a function? Does it pass the vertical line test? If we go ahead and put a vertical line out there, and we try to move that straight across. Let's straighten that out a little bit. There we go. It passes the vertical line test quite easily. So therefore, it is a function. It is also linear because it is straight. If it's not a linear function, why? Well, it is a linear function, so we don't need to answer that. All right, guys, you try these next four. Again, answer key is in Schoology. Go ahead, try them, check your answers against, and then let me know if you have any questions. Plot each point on the coordinate plane. Connect the points as a table of linear function. All right, so the first point is negative 2, 1. That's here. 0, 2. 2, 3. 4, 4. And 6, 5. So when I look at my points here and I connect them, what we get is a straight line. It passes the vertical line test. So yes, it is a function. Let's try one more together. Let's go ahead and plot these points. 1, negative 6. 2, negative 3. 3, negative 2. 4, 4. And then 5, 5. Now try to connect them. I can see I don't have a straight line. So is this a linear function? The answer here is no. It's a function. It will pass the vertical line test. It's just not linear because it's not a perfectly straight line. There are segments that are straight, but the actual line itself is not straight. All right, guys, you try 9 and 10. 9 and 10. Again, check your answers against the key. As always, if you have any questions, please contact me and we will get everything settled out. Bye.